Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet pattern earrings and crochet flower earrings styles and flower shapes, different rows and pink flower and with pearls combination ideas as a uh, gifting and different event and party. Easy to carry crochet earring can be a delightful and stylish craft project. Here are some ideas and basic instruction to get you start and select a crochet earring pattern or create your design. Some popular choices and include small circles, flower or geometric shape. So I hope you like it. So different and latest beautiful ideas and depending on your preference you can make earrings in various size and shapes. Experiment with different thread size and hook size to achieve the look you want. Remember to be creative and experiment with different colors and pattern to make unique crochet earrings that match your style.